Hey y'all, it's Kathy Joe coming to you hot mess. Look at my hair. I'm in my pajamas, just chilling out. Isn't that beautiful? But I have 3 DIYs for you today, and I hope you enjoy them. I want to give Annalee Ashby a shout out. Whoop whoop! Thank you for your encouraging words. Y'all need to check out Ashby University on YouTube, and to Maria from A Mug's Life. She's absolutely great. Bless her heart. She was up late last night showing me things on Instagram, sending me pictures, trying to explain to me how to do stuff, and I appreciated it so much. And I just wanted to tell these ladies thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate it more than you know, and you're so sweet. And I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep going. So if y'all like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like it, please subscribe, please share with your friends, and click the notification bell to know each time I upload a video. And hopefully next time I won't look like an absolute train wreck. Can't promise you that because I do most of the time. But let's get on with the videos. Okay, so I got this little bowl here at the Dollar Tree. And what you do is just get any size bowl or any shape of anything that you want, because what we're doing is making a little leaf bowl. And I put saran wrap down and then parchment paper, so that way it won't stick to the bowl itself. And I'm just taping that down there with painter's tape. Now, wait to see what I do here in a minute. Did you see all that Mod Podge I dumped out? It was everywhere. So you just get a little paintbrush, or, yeah, I'd say that'd be the wisest thing to do, and start attaching your leaves. Just slop that Mod Podge on there and stick your leaves on there, and just do it until you're happy with the way it looks. Now, it took 2 days for that thing to dry. Here, I'm just taking an old picture frame that was given to me. Isn't it so cute? It's, I don't know, I know that, and I'm going to take ink and crimson and mix them together and get the color red that I want. More of a deeper, yeah, you see. It looks more maroon, burgundy, I don't know what you call it. So I just paint the entire frame, the sides and on the inside line there. I removed the glass out of it, but I kept that little back piece. I popped that thing off, and everybody's talking about popping things off. Look at this struggle. The struggle is real. I thought I was going to have to call in the National Guard to get that thing off there. Watch me go. Finally. Anyway, I got that fat quarter. Well, it's not. It is a fat quarter, but it's rolled up from the Dollar Tree last year after Christmas and stuff, and it's buffalo check, so it's just cloth. And I like using that Loctite spray instead of Mod Podge because y'all see what I do with Mod Podge. I'm a hot mess with it. So anyway, I had that stuff all over me. And it had wrinkles in it, but you spray that down, just spread that out, and it sticks great. Can't complain. I'm putting my little red truck on there, putting the back into the frame, and voila, there we go. Gonna hot glue, not super glue, hot glue my pumpkin down here on there. And be careful, that metal gets hot. And I'm going to take that little squiggly thing, I know what it's called, I can't remember, and put it back on. I spray painted that welcome sign white, and I'm just going to put me some flowers on there up in the corner and arrange it how I want. It took me 45 minutes to figure out how I wanted it. Top, bottom, on the side. I was all over the place with it. And finally I decided on there. Some of y'all have already seen it on Instagram, but yeah, that and my little Harvest Blessing sign. The buffalo check one was supposed to go with this video, but I had to do it on its own. There it is. Isn't that adorable? I just love that. I think that is just cute as a Peter's button. Anyway, so I got my little acorn here, and I got another fat quarter. Now, I'm gonna tell you, this material here was all free. That I'm putting on the base of these acorns. I got a ton of free fabric from my sister-in-law. So thank you, sister-in-law. You know who you are. Using that Loctite again, and you put that down. If you don't have it where you want it, you can pick it up, rearrange it, just press it down real good. And I got that yard for 38 cents. It was on sale at Walmart, of that green burlap. I'm just gonna cut it out. Again, use that Loctite, spray it down, put it across the top of my little acorn. After you put that Loctite on there, that's not going anywhere. It has that name for a reason. So I just trimmed the stuff that's left over on the edge. And I'm gonna wrap the stems up with jute twine. Oh, and then just sand the edges of it, because I want to scuff it up, and I'm going to take Waverly Antique Wax and my little fan brush and just dirty it up, make it look all old and rustic looking. I think it's just cute. It's just adorable. Cutest little acorn I've ever seen in my life till this one come along. So there's some more fabric. I put it in that this time because I had everything sticky. I mean, I was a mess. So got one of those little like boho looking pouches, and I'm just using the burlap off the back of that. I'm gonna put it on the top of that one. So I want to give a shout out to Annalee Ashby. It's Ashby University, I do believe, on Facebook. I'll put it in the description. She gave me some very encouraging words and uplifting words, and I appreciate it. So Annalee, if you're watching this, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And also to Maria from Mug's Life, the Mug's Life. She, bless her heart, last night, it was late, I think it was midnight, and she was on Instagram with me, chatting back and forth, showing me things, walking me through things, talking me through things, and it was unbelievable. She just is amazing and just so sweet and was just so nice to me. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, girl. You just don't even know. Y'all need to check her out on YouTube also. It's A Mug's Life. And I'll link that in the description box below too. Just trimming that fabric away. And then I took the antique wax and put it on. Aren't those so cute? And then I took raffia that I pulled off some pumpkins and I stuck it on there. I think those are just the cutest things. Okay, got me 2 little happy fall scarecrow signs. I'm gonna pop that thing off there. Flip them both over. Now those have staples in them. For some reason they wanted to double up on mine. I think one of them had 3 staples in one little piece of jute twine. But I just took my needle nose pliers and pulled the staples out. And I'm just going to take jumbo craft sticks and glue these signs together. You all know the routine. And then with the, well, I took caulk and then I sanded it out. Now I'm going to take cashew paint and paint the entire sign. I love that brush. It's a Waverly paintbrush. But I normally only just paint furniture and big pieces with it. And there it's done. So I got my little letters there. They come from Dollar Tree also. And I'm painting them in that dark brown color. Forgot the name of it. So I'm marking off a couple of lines here I'm going to put across. I saw somebody mark off lines on signs and pumpkins on Pinterest, so I thought that was cute. The first one I did celery, the second one I did moss, and I'm taking that nautical rope and I'm going to wrap it all around my little piece of decor, just like I did with the other pumpkin, the other sign, wall hanging, whatever you want to call it. And I just kept it going and pulled a piece out till I got the length that I wanted to hang it with and glued it to the other side. And I stabilized it on the back with popsicle sticks. I did cover the back of those. And then I'm just going to burn little hairs off. So now I'm taking my Waverly Antique Wax here again and going to antique that thing all up. Isn't that cute? Isn't that adorable? I just love it. Now here at the end, I put these little nuts on it, and they're cute, and I just left them dangling. I didn't want them glued down, so I just left the little nuts hanging there. And I think this is just cute. I just don't know. It's just adorable. And then I made those little scarecrow things there. They're so cute, but I lost the footage to them. Aww, they're so cute. Look at them. Aww. If you like this, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share. Isn't that so cute? Look at my little scarecrow people. Aww. They're cute. And my leaf bowl there, check that out with all that stuff in it. And of course I made another beaded garland. I'm a beaded garland fanatic. I thought those nuts looked cute just hanging there. Don't y'all? With my little flower. Y'all have a great day. Be blessed. Thank you.